ocean down a little bit. Yeah. So many fish, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Splash. Yeah, yeah. How many sharks you got? 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 How many teeth they got? How many people got eat? How many years on earth? How many types you got? How many years they live? How many oceans they in? How many seas they in? How fast they swim? How many live in freshwater? How many rings of they vertebrae? Got to you how old they are? Shark skin feel like sandpaper, specialized feature. Sharks are slow growing, late maturing creature. Sharks go into a train flip, upside down reach. People are more likely to be killed taking pictures. Now chomp it down, chomp it down, chomp it down, chomp it down. People versus nature is causing sharks major tension. Hammerhead sharks have 360-degree vision ascension. Macos are the fastest sharks in the ocean, did I mention? Megalodon with the largest shark to ever live. Sharks inhabit every ocean on the planet where they live. Whale sharks are the largest fish on the planet where I live. How many sharks you got? A lot. How many teeth they got? A lot. How many people got eat? A lot. How many years on earth? A lot. How many types you got? A lot. How many years they live? A lot. How many oceans they in? A lot. How many seas they in? A lot. How fast they swim? A lot. How many live in fresh water? How many rings do they vertebrae? Gotta tell you how old they are. Chomp it on down, chomp it on down, I chomp it on down, I chomp it on down. Yeah, I just came from the ocean, looking at the fish and the wildlife. Before I left, I pictured myself on the wild side, swimming with the fish and the sea turtle. Seeing giant shark made me doing hurdle. Question: how many teeth in the shark mouth? How many teeth can a shark regrow? Whale sharks all about 6 feet long in the sea. It makes a gray white, not really big as they seem. Sharks and behavior under the moon. Call them DC werewolf. Oh, whoa. Sharks in the millions came for trees. 90% died all 19 million years ago. Some shark walk on dry land. Teeth fall out a lot, that's why they regrow. Greenland sharks only half a mile an hour. They slow. This ain't sharks, I'm over 200 in 100 years, I know. They got the electric sixth sense, spooky show. Sharks breathe oxygen, call them old gill holes. Sharks are all cartilage, no bones. All 7 seas they home, lots of teeth, multiple rows. Some sharks glow in the dark, call them bioluminescent, Indiana Jones. Shark got ears located inside their heads. You're more likely to snap a picture, whoops, you dead. Cause the shark got a cookie bite, I said. Shark got thick skin up to 6 inches, all crust, no bread. Over 3,000 teeth at once in his head. Don't have a swim bladder, use they ladders instead. Hydrodynamic design, shark goes on. Salvation rays, not sharks, no room. Tiger sharks eat anything, hunger go room. A great white shark bite you, sleep in your tomb. 450 million years on the earth, not going anywhere. Whales and fishes make it hard to prepare. Too many catches, accidents, beware. Mad about regulation, go up and share. So many facts about sharks coming at your head. Listen to the song or the books you read. Gotta say the sharks, they super cool. Maybe one day you could be the two. How many sharks you got? A lot. How many teeth they got? A lot. How many people got eat? A lot. How many years on earth? A lot. How many types you got? A lot. How many years they live? A lot. How many oceans they in? A lot. How many seas they in? A lot. How fast they swim? A lot. How many live in fresh water? How many rings do they vertebrae? Gotta tell you how old they are. A lot. Chomp it on down, chomp it on down, chomp it on down, chomp it on down, chomp it down. I jump it down, chomp it down, chomp it on, chomp it down, chomp it on, chomp it down.